Hi, my name is Natalia Judith Flores Mendez. I'm in Team 1 and I'd like to introduce you our STEM project, FlowSync, a smart adaptive traffic light designed to improve vehicular flow. Traffic causes delays, affects people's health, increases pollution, and reduces the overall quality of life. Our goal was to design a functional prototype that demonstrates how technology can improve traffic flow and make cities more efficient. This project is linked to several Sustainable Development Goals, or called SDGs. For example, SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, as we aim to improve urban mobility. It also relates to SDG 13, Climate Action, since reducing traffic can help decrease emissions. Furthermore, our project connects with SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being, because less pollution improves people's health, and with SDG 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, since efficient systems can reduce energy waste. Our prototype represents a small urban intersection. It includes streets, pedestrian crossings, buildings, and vehicles to simulate a real-world environment. The main feature of our project is the intelligent traffic light system. It uses LED lights to represent red, yellow, and green signals, controlled by an Arduino containing the programming code we developed to make the traffic light process more efficient. The system operates following a programmed sequence that controls the movement of vehicles at the intersection. Each light changes at specific time intervals to prevent collisions and organize traffic flow depending on the number of cars of each side. The materials we used included cardboard for the base and buildings, LED lights, cars, electrical wires, resistors, and a USB cable to connect the Arduino to the laptop. These materials allowed us to build a functional and low-cost prototype. As a team, this project allowed us to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical way. We learned to design, build, and test a functional prototype using basic electronic components. We also developed important skills such as teamwork, communication, creativity, and critical thinking. Each member contributed ideas and helped solve problems throughout the process. In conclusion, this project was more than just building a smart traffic light prototype. It was an experience that showed us how STEM can be connected to real life problems such as traffic in Monterrey. While creating the model, we learned that solving challenges requires patience, teamwork, and creativity. My participation in building the streets and helping start the AI system made me feel involved in both the design and technology parts of the project. It was interesting to see how an idea can become something functional through effort and collaboration. Overall, this project helped us understand that innovation begins with simple ideas and teamwork can turn them into solutions.
In this project, I learned how to turn physics theory into a real-life solution. My main role was the physical assembly and Arduino programming, which was a huge challenge. I learned how to wire the circuits and ensure the logic responds correctly to the traffic sensors. This experience helped me gain hands-on skills in robotics and electronics and taught me how to troubleshoot technical problems on the spot.
During the development of this project, I was reminded why creating this type of project is important, since they help us provide solutions or alternatives to problems in our community. We also use technology to create these projects, which often go from being just an idea to becoming a real solution to society's problem. I helped my team mainly during the construction of our prototype model, making the buildings and businesses that simulate real ones, where we could implement our project in order to reduce traffic problems.
During this stage, I learned a lot about how to work in teamwork developing a project, which in this case is a traffic light. Well, an intelligent traffic light, let's say. I work in Tinkercad trying to program it with an Arduino, and well, yeah, I developed the programmation under this app, which is free, and also I learned a lot about how to make the systems work and try to use the best that we can in order to make it functioning appropriately. And there is also an AI in the way to make it even better. So In stage 4, we hope to employ this AI and make it a lot better than it is right now. So we're going to try our best and have to give our best.
Through this stage, it was really a challenge to make the prototype, and all the tasks we had to do, they involved a lot of teamwork, which we had the last stages, but it was not as interactive as prototype. It was very dynamic. My participation was mostly this video and obviously the creation of the prototype. We hope that our STEM project can make a difference in real world.
My work and job during our STEM practice was to create and investigate about the traffic lights in our prototype. The traffic lights will be comparing and analyzing the cars and people flow around a road or a street in order to reduce time, traffic, and also to clean a part of the streets without more cars and making a flow constant of the vehicles.